Hello students, let's discuss the third state of matter, that is the gaseous state. The gases do not fixed volume and shape, that you know very well. The air around us is the mixture of gases, so they do not have any fixed volume and they do not possess any definite shape. The particles are in random motion because they possess kinetic energy. Anything which is in motion, that means it is moving, that is having kinetic energy. So gaseous particles are in random motion. The interparticle distance is maximum between them. Therefore, the force of attraction is negligible. Due to the force of attraction that is negligible in them, they possess maximum distance between the atoms, and therefore they can move randomly here and there. The gases are highly compressible also. All of you have heard about LPG cylinders and CNG, that is compressed natural gas, and LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. So both of these are gases, petroleum gas and natural gas. So these gases are also compressed and they are filled in cylinders. Also oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals. That is also due to the property of compressibility of gases. Next point is that the particles of gases possess force on the walls of the container in which they are kept. For example, if a gas is filled in a particular container, then the particles of gas are not visible, but they are in random motion and they possess force on the walls of the container in which they are kept. You can see this example in an inflated balloon or a rubber tube of a bicycle, or you can observe a tire, etc. So these were the main point. Then if we discuss about the melting and boiling point of these three states, then solids have maximum melting boiling points, that is above the room temperature, whereas liquids possess medium boiling points, and gases have very low melting boiling points, which is below the room temperature. Now here in the diagram you can see the three solid, liquid and gas states. These states are shown for water as ice, water and steam, solid, liquid and gas. Then the next is the table of comparison between solids, liquids and gases. These are the points which we have discussed here in this video. So there are total 9 points given in the table. This is the table for comparison. If a question has been asked that you have to write the difference between solids, liquids and gases, then you can use this table and learn it for your reference. Now let's discuss the fourth and fifth state of matter, that is plasma and BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. So first of all, let's discuss plasma. Matter in ordinary conditions on earth has electrons that orbit around the atomic nucleus. So all of you are aware about the atom, the structure of atom, which is containing proton, electron and neutron. So the electrons are present in orbits, whereas neutrons and protons are present inside the nucleus. So the electrons are bounded to the nucleus by mutual electrostatic attractive force. But if we provide high temperature to the atom, the outermost electrons gets excited and they jump out of the electron. That means the electron is now free to move, whereas the atom from which the electron is ejected, it becomes positively charged because the number of protons is now greater in the atom and the electron is less. So this is the condition in which plasma state is reached. This state is seen in stars. Stars are having high energy and they are big balls of gases. Also you can see this on the earth in neon bulbs, or you can see in fluorescent tube lights. The high temperature is provided with the help of electricity, and due to that the gas which is filled in the tube or bulb, it gets the temperature, and the electrons are ejected from that particular gas, so they show some fluorescent color or yellow color based on the gas which is filled in it. So this state is the plasma state, whereas BEC is condensate. Condensation means cooling anything. So BEC is mainly condensation. When gases are cooled at very low temperature, then the condition which is reached is condensate, that is BEC. Mainly Bose and Einstein are taken from the name of scientist Satyendra Nath Bose and Albert Einstein, and this condensate is obtained at super low temperatures, and it is observed in gases which are having very low density. So actually it is opposite of plasma, as plasma is shown at high temperatures and condensate BEC is seen at very low temperatures.